This is SheetFools. We're creating 24 fun automations straight to you from me on this day, April 1st. We're going to create things like conditional formatting, daily triggers, on open triggers, on edit triggers. These are all really simple stuff you can add to your Google Sheets right now to just wreak absolute chaos on your friends, family, and bosses and colleagues, anyone you're working with spreadsheets. And I want to show you today dark mode, if anything, in A1. You can put anything here in A1 and the whole thing turns to dark mode. I'll show you how to do that right here. So what we're going to do is we can select A1 or anything actually. We're going to be putting conditional formatting on the entire sheet. Go to Format, Conditional Formatting. We're going to apply to the whole range. Here it's A to E, A:E. And we're not going to use format cells rules that are selected here. We're going to go all the way down to custom formula is equals not A1 equals and two quotes. And the key here is we need to put a $ in front of the A and the 1 and in the parentheses. Look, everything looks normal, but we're going to change the background color to black and the text to white, and we can click done. And now anytime anyone puts in something in A1 here, the entire sheet goes to dark mode. This is pretty cool, can wreak a little bit of havoc on someone who isn't expecting it, but also add a little bit of aesthetics to your sheet. Stick around for more today, dropping 24 of these automations. Go watch them all and enjoy SheetFools. Also, go check out bettersheets.co/SheetFools to download all of them in one sheet. That's bettersheets.co/SheetFools. You can download them absolutely free right now over at bettersheets.co/SheetFools.